way to get things underway. And expectations are rising and decibel levels are rising. The noise is quite something. You can feel what football means to the people in this part of the world. The action has already started.
There's a player below Peter that I admire on a professional and personal level, the one and only Raul.
He's just out on his own consistency.
Indeed, and a terrific leader. Talent has to be backed up by hard work and tenacity, and he leads by example, hence the respect he commands.
Queued away. Now it's Messi.
मुझसे शादी करोगी
Hesho.
मुझसे शादी करोगी
Darren Fletcher.
मुझसे शादी
Obviously build up this, plenty of really nice passing.
और कब तक
Nice sequence of passes this. Looking tidy in possession here. Hesho is the distributor-in-chief, always looking for movers. And it's Fletcher. Shifted into the flank. Vinicius Junior going face to face with his great run. That is pretty much the end of that. Paris Saint-Germain finding their passes. Paris Saint-Germain are seeing more of the ball, but still aren't carrying much goal threat. Laid out to the left flank. He's got plenty of space out wide here. Fletcher. He's got a side of goal. Oh, that is very close.
Ah, that's a great effort. There was very little backlift to indicate what was coming.
Sunderland applying the press here, a high press.
Yeah, we see this so often these days, but it does demand an awful lot of work rate and, of course, the discipline, because it has to be with everyone. It can't be with one or two. If that starts happening here, it'll just fall away.
Yeah, there are so much of them, but of course, the returns can be terrific.
मुझसे शादी करोगी
Passing is crisp and sharp.
मुझसे शादी करोगी
Darren Fletcher conjures time and space where few can.
मुझसे शादी करोगी
Here's Vinicius Junior. Chance to finish. Off the post.
Second half may well start in similar fashion, as we'd love to see this momentum maintained. So I'm looking forward to what's to come.
Head to the dressing room. Knocked. Has a goal! Messi plays it short. He's having a go. Magnificent! He's got himself an absolute peach. The second half off to a spectacular. Back the ball. Now it's Messi. He don't hassle.
Well, he's the quarterback equivalent, so I'm not surprised that he's been closed down first.
It's a jarring tackle, but apparently nothing thinking.
Well, I'm inclined to feel that.
Shooting chance! Rich one in. Messi providing an outlet on that flank.
मुझसे शादी करोगी
Adams
मुझसे
set up one goal so
शादी
far.
करोगी
Batistuta loose now and they want to get it back with the inevitable classy finish.
Look, if you want to be effective on the break, then the key element is full finish. Well, the mindset has changed. Now they need to find all the courage they can get.
Looking wide. Raul, he's gone away.
मुझसे शादी करोगी
It's a goal!
मुझसे शादी करोगी